All right, now what we're going to do is, here we are with our Mark II. Got it cleaned up. Here's our rag. And really we're just going to talk a little bit about not so much firearm safety, but firearm storage. But safety is obviously a key factor along with firearm storage. You know, we're not going to store the firearm loaded. All right, so just as a general habit, I'm going to take it. I know I just cleaned it, but I'm going to look in it. I'm going to make sure that there's not a round in battery. And I see that there isn't. Magazine well. And I notice there's nothing inside the magazine well. And this is a personal preference, but just to keep track of all my items, I take an empty magazine and I just insert it inside and I just keep it like this. And now what I'm going to do is do a final wipe. And here's one of the bags that I keep my storage in. I'm just going to set my firearm in there, and I'm going to grab it just by the grips here. And I'm going to put it in. I'm going to put it in barrel and upper receiver to the bottom edge here. I'm just going to set it in there. I know everything's clean, wiped up, oiled up. And I'm going to zip this bag shut. And I got a little lock here and key, and I can just lock it from this brass to the zipper. And what that's going to do is that's not going to keep out, you know, somebody who's really wanting to get inside this canvas bag. What it's just going to generally do is keep the firearm safe and out of reach of children. But as we know, this should, if possible, be kept inside of a safe and kept up out of reach, height-wise, of children inside something else that they can't get in. This is just going to give us a little added security in general, so that we know nobody's handling or mishandling these firearms that we've put up safely.